Yo, this is what I call a fire ass setup. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Take a closer look.
This better drop. That's a fire ass setup. This better go all the way down there. Wicks, man. Rejection is not going any higher. It's breaking the counter trend. Better drop. Better drop. Rejection off the key level. Better drop. Consolidation. Break this. Better drop. Yo, drop. Close below 129. Retest. Sell one more time. Ooh. Ooh. This would be awesome.
Yesterday.
It's 1. I'm in GBP AUD. I'm selling this from here to here, and then I'm gonna look for a buy. And this is the 4-hour look. And this thing just got a tank.
A few moments later.
Also short on GBP JPY. This is the 1-hour time frame. I am short. I am seeing selling signals. Overall, I'm still bullish. I want to buy this week. But for now, I do see that sell, and I will take it. So this is the setup. It's going like that. GBP JPY, and then GBP AUD. GJ on the 240 on the 4-hour. It's going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's going. 60 pips, 70 pips.
Oh my God!
It's going. It's going. Let's move the stop loss. There we go. Risk free.
Months later.
GJ on the 1-hour. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, GJ on the 240 on the 4-hour. It's dropped pretty nicely. It's about how many pips is this? 80 pip drop. That's twice as much as my stop loss, which is this, the stop loss. So we are going to close 0.01 out of 0.04, so 1/4. To account history. There we go. GBP JPY. Boom! 53. 1/4 position closed. Enjoy some Cheetos while your trade is running in profit. Yo, alright guys, what's good? I hope you guys are liking the video so far. In the description below, there's my podcast. You guys can check out my podcast. It's the Growing with Harjot podcast. And it's definitely going to help you become a better trader. It's going to help you live a better life. And it's going to help you just be happier. So check it out. Now let's get back to GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing. And just like that, it's gone. It's gone. We were like 90 pips. And boom.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Out.
He fucked up.
I should have hedged. Should have hedged. Hedge, boy.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind.
This is the best Forex video on YouTube.